So for one of our lessons at school, we were doing instructions and we came across this sweet potato pudding recipe in the textbook. Now the students suggested that we made it. Um, we planned to do it at school, but listen, all the kids didn't bring the ingredients, so they suggested that I made it at home and record. So listen, I have never made this thing in my whole life. All I know is just that I love me some sweet potato pudding. So we went ahead and we tripled the ingredients that were in the textbook. We had 10 cups of grated sweet potatoes, 6 cups of brown sugar, 9 cups of coconut milk, 6 teaspoons of vanilla extract, 3 teaspoons of cinnamon, 1.5 grated nutmeg. I didn't have that, but yeah, 3 teaspoons freshly grated ginger, 9.5 cups of flour, 3 cups of raisin. I didn't put that either, and I didn't put any salt, 3 teaspoons salt. As you can see, I've already added the coconut milk, the brown sugar, and the vanilla extract. I don't know, I'm overdoing with that vanilla extract. But anyways, we went ahead and we mixed them up properly, just because, and I was getting out of patience because that sugar was taking forever to melt. I didn't even know if it was supposed to melt or not, but oh, I was running out of patience. Then I went ahead and I added the flour. That's what this thing said. Remember, I've never made it. I added the flour and the ginger. Then we added the grated. Oh, and I was overdoing with the cinnamon as well. I don't know why I overdid with the cinnamon, but hey, I don't know. Then I went ahead and I used my mixer and just mix everything together. And oh, I think I had already added the potato. Oh, I'm adding the potatoes now. Yeah, I'm just following the instructions, okay? Mix, 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 mix. And then the oven was already preheated. I went ahead and I poured them inside of the thing. And some of it was remaining and I add some more flour because I didn't add all the flour I was supposed to add. And then I put this in another bowl. Some was remaining still and I threw it in this little pan. And yeah, I was having so much fun in the kitchen with this thing. I'm hoping for the best. I went ahead and put the remaining in that little pan down there too. I don't know what possessed me to put it down below to burn, but yes, I changed it to the top and let them bake for about 2 or so hours. And this was the result. I was excited because the kitchen smelled so good. It was smelling of sweet potatoes and all of those different spices. And woo! Yeah, I especially loved how the top of this one looked like a real sweet potato pudding. But I don't know why the others were so smooth. I enjoyed every bit of it, but it just took too long. I was like, what, 2 hours? 2 hours is too long to bake something. But that's what the book said, and I went ahead and I did just that. And I was just testing out the thing. And then I went ahead and packaged them after they were cold. I packaged them, to take to the kids at school because it's their ingredients. I wasn't gonna keep any for me. Well, I ate a bit, but yeah. It get too much. I put a little bit too much cinnamon. Y'all ain't tasting plenty cinnamon. We tasting potato. Oh, you taste. Oh, must see how it cool because when it was hot, I was tasting the cinnamon strong. So I was thinking I put too much cinnamon. How it tastes, Preston? Nice. Don't eat all. Kayla, don't eat all. You can't go full up your belly. This it tastes. It look like dukuna, but it's basically dukuna made from the same We're coming out missing. Oh Lord. Dukuna made from morning. Dukuna made from the same sweet potatoes and same ingredients.